pairs. Ordered pairs will be written as this, okay, parenthesis bracket, okay, open bracket kitten, comma cat, close bracket, comma, open bracket puppy, puppy with dog, okay, another bracket of chick, goes with hen, close bracket, and another bracket of calf with cow, close bracket and close parenthesis. So this is in the form of ordered pairs. So ordered pairs will have to be in this form. See, parenthesis bracket, from this diagram, A to C, one bracket, and B to D we write as B comma D in a bracket and close parenthesis. So another form of representation, last week I have mentioned the graph set. So the graph set, for example, A to C. So A to C. So note that by a point, A to C. And B to D, we note that with the axis, okay, first you put X as the x-axis, set X, and the group Y as the y-axis. So B maps onto D, so B maps onto D. This is the graph representation. So we're clear about that, yeah? Okay, so next, let's move on, because we have to get into the real gist of functions, which is composite functions. Okay, so next, slide 2. Okay, slide 2, again, the types of relations. Okay, as you understood, the arrow diagram, the ordered pairs, and the graph set. Now we have the 4 different types of relations. As you can see here, I've drawn the diagram. Okay, so what we have here, we have one-to-one relationship. So let's do what is one-to-one looks like. So one-to-one, it will look like A pointed to 1, B pointed to 2, and C pointed to 3. Okay, so in this instance, number 4 image has not, okay, hasn't got its pair. So A, B, and C is the objects. There are the objects. 1, 2, and 3, they are the image. Okay, images, or we call it range. And 4, not included here, we call it just codomain. Okay, 4 is not included. So 4 is not the images, neither the range. So this is one-to-one relationship. Again, don't forget the arrow. The arrow points from former set to second set. Okay, name this X, name this Y. So A maps onto 1, B maps onto 2, and C maps onto 3. So there's a special relationship here, maybe the alphabetical order equivalent to numerical order. Okay, for example, A is the first in alphabetical order, equals to 1 as in numerical order. So that is a relationship. Now coming back to types of relation, the second type is many to one. So let's draw many to one. Okay, many to one means many from the domain side. That means many from this X set going to Y. So many, so it can be A going to 1, at the same time B also goes to 1. Maybe C goes to 3. Okay, it can be also B going to 3. So can you see? We have the objects going to one solution, to y. So this is what we call many to one. So again, the arrow, don't forget, that means A maps onto 1, B also maps onto 1, B maps onto 3, and C maps onto 3. So if we write many to one in ordered pairs, let me write here. Okay, for example, the many to one ordered pairs. Okay. So you will write them like this: open bracket A, comma 1, open bracket B, comma 1, close bracket. At the same time, B also goes to 3, many to 1, and C goes to 3. Okay, it can be like that. So actually there is only one image, but you can have multiple objects going to the same image. Now, one too many. So first, identify the domain set X, codomain Y. One too many means A goes to 1. At the same time, A also has another image. Okay, beside 1, A also has another image. So A can goes to 1, A can goes to 2, B goes to 3, okay, C goes to 4, maybe B can also point out to 4. Can you see? This is one too many. That means one domain, what it means here is one domain points out to many. Okay, actually it's not domain, it is one object. Okay, domain is the whole set. Okay, alright, one object points out or goes to many objects. One object and points out to many objects. So meaning one question has multiple answers. Okay, this is one too many. And many too many, okay, many too many, there are two, okay, there are two crisscrossing from each side. So A can goes to 1, A can goes to 3, B can goes to 2, C can also goes to 2, what else? And B can also goes to 4. Okay, so you have many multiple functions here. So basically A goes to 1, A goes to 3, B goes to 2, B also has an image of 4, and image 2 also has object of C. So this many to many. So in functions, only one-to-one and many-to-one types of relations, okay, are called functions. One-to-many images and many-to-many images are not considered as functions. So today we are going to concentrate fully on functions. So I have drawn here, okay, a simple function. Okay, let's highlight this. A simple function. For example, group codomain X, okay, with a function mapping onto set Y with a command of X maps onto 3x minus 1.